Hey techies, welcome back in Tech IVP channel. I hope all of you are doing great. And the guys, today's question is: can we use finally block without try or without catch block? Okay, so let me firstly cover this with the try catch block. Okay, so let me surround with this one. Okay, and I have to surround this one with the try catch. Okay, so let me execute this one. Just give me a moment. I don't know why the error I am getting, so let me check. Yeah, this one is extra. Okay, so let me execute now. So it's executed successfully. Okay, but the question is, can we use finally block without catch? So firstly let me type here finally finally and here sys out. Okay, right now we are going with the catch block as well as the code is executed. Okay, so let me execute this one again. So keep in mind, guys, the thing is that this block is always executed if your exception is thrown or not. Okay, but it is not necessary we have catch block always. We can use finally block without catch as well. So this one is a very important interview question. Most of the time interviewer ask this question: can we use finally block without the catch? So you say yes, we can use finally block without the catch. It is not necessary. Okay, so I hope guys this video is really helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing and interesting facts about the interview. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.